Second game sila nitong mga defending champs.
Alam mo what's scary, I guess, as how I would want to describe on the side of Pasig, because last game, despite that victory against Palawan,
In the national finals of the first season.
so far, San Pedro on top of our team standings with no records of any losses. At Pasig nga with 1-0. So right after tonight's ball, main unblemished.
Yun po yung isang exciting doon, pero kagaya nga yan. Zevi Hinogin knocks up San Pedro. Very dominant in their first season, I believe. And naman ito naman Pasig.
Sa clean defense na pinapakita nila agad dito to force probably some errors on their end.
Kita mo yun, medyo may paster doon pa.
Parang champion talaga, no?
Oo.
Itong sila Russell, itong sila Zevi ever since.
Yeah, tama. From Mandaluyong to 18 and under, then 21 and under. Dito naman sa 21 and under. Actually, ng Junior MPBL in general. Timar gets that bucket and one.
Top scorers last game, 13 points, 7 rebounds, and 2 assists with that pound-for-pound fitness.
3 point. 5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Cabridos right now. Pasig looking to increase their lead, but there was a turnover. Great steal from San Pedro. Cabrido missed that shot, but Argota with a great block there by Hardinico. Great defense of Pasig. Bayani. Layup finish. Pedro bola this time for three-pointer. Air ball. Number 25, San Pedro. Knocks it down. Charles Di Maano. Pull-up jumper. Pinasok na rin pala sila Martinez para sa San Pedro and Flores. Number 31, Stephen
Hardinico did not play last game, but right now scoring his first bucket on the side of Pasig.
Oh, great fake. As we can see there, Sandoval scores his first two.
Basa ng depensa, no? Opted to go for that right positioning, but immediately answering back naman. Scored 4 points, 5 rebounds, and 4 assists. Look, that spin move, the perfect position.
San Pedro up by 1 point. Now Cruz has the leather for Pasig. Oh, great steal. And a finish by Joms Argota and a chance to complete.
One of the guys that we should watch out for, but seeing this one first, pound-for-pound fitness foul.
Flores for San Pedro. Martinez posts up. Siniguro na. Final game for today. 21 and under match up between San Pedro, Mamba, and Pasig, Apasi, Timothy's.
Right now, immediately contributing 2 points para dito kay Di Maano.
There was a wala pang isang minuto. With 8 seconds to shoot, Charles Di Maano.
This goes to show that it's all about the game. They're not attacking the person, but just really trying to defend.
Ayan, pagpahingin mo ng Tintiman. Just to reset things, Hinogin fires for 3 and look at. Kicks it out to Podador. Missed opportunity on that fast break.
Yep. Hesitated a bit.
Magpantay, post.
And also struggling offensively.
Oh, Flores loses that ball, pero nandun naman si Di Maano to recover, and that will be getting it. Pero si Moctimar, fast enough to retrieve it. Alforque. There you have it.
Insertion for this 5 guys. Pound-for-pound fitness foul counted move. Nurban Moctimar.
Only down by 1 point. Bayani attacking the defense of San Pedro. 20 blue shirts finds his teammate. That'll be number 33, RJ Colonia. Play. Pound-for-pound fitness. Foul counted play. Bayani to RJ Colonia. 1 possession ball game. Cabrido. Floater misses. Offensive rebound, Cabrido pa rin. Number 0 pulls up, and it's good. Jumps Argota of San Pedro.
Just when I was about to say, masagot itong side.
Bigla nga sumasagot. 33 to 32. 44 seconds remaining here. The second quarter. It's on the shot clock rather. 19. Flores makes up for it. Point lead. Pound for pound fitness foul counted play. Flores.
Solid finish here for Ken.
Turin Junior MPBL D-League. Kindly like and follow on our social media platforms. Wow. Loren scoring early in this third. Flores misses that shot. Loren with a defensive rebound. Modador on the rush. Rushing straight to the basket. Lays it up and in.
Itong si Hinogin and Bayani with 6.
Nice fake by Hinogin. That pull-up jumper.
That 9 points for Jevi after the jumper.
Fast break layup finish. Para naman dito kay James Ison. Court. Cabrido to Timtiman. Timan to Aguinaldo to Dimaano. Gets the bucket and one.
Chance to make it 14. Yes, he does.
That opening, kicks it out to Hinogin. 6 seconds to shoot. Misses that shot. Offensive rebound by Arlie Podador and scores.
Arlie Podador on the other hand, very patient with that shot, scored his 9th, scored 10 last game. Yung staff ng Pasig.
Now San Pedro looking to score once again. Flores 2-1. Was able to get that.
Yung familiar na alam natin na kumaga na lima ni Coach Jano. Yung parang very effective din during the latter part of the second quarter.
As we can see there, that was a quick Ginaldo misfires. Oh, what a pass and the finish.
You know, from the moment Flores got
4 minutes, 34 seconds remaining as we take a look at this replay once again. Great offense. But right now, nasa Pasig ang bola. Muktimar knocking down that three. That was a pass intercepted. Muktimar once again getting that bucket and one. Play as we take a look at our pound for pound fitness foul counted play. Muktimar finishes and gets the bonus.
Points. And right now, even a chance to complete a 3-point play. The reason why...
That speed. Back to Alforque and to Muktimar once again on that wing. Bayani challenge the defense of Flores and successful. Clock's winding down. Bayani not missing that chance.
Sabi natin may itong si Muktimar, and this time Russell Bayani with his own run, 4 consecutive points.
That was Cruz's first bucket.
Having 16. So there needs to be some adjustment in terms of that interior defense. If you are San Pedro.
Pensa ng Pasig, wala pa ring tigil, 64-45. 19-point lead. Pero ngayon, mukhang madadagdagan pa. Muktimar, back-to-back score. Back the lead. So far, missed shots. Magpantay. Gets it in. Down, 9 seconds to shoot. Martinez misses that three-pointer. Pasig na naman. Muktimar. Familiar. It has been Pasig show.
Also no, kanina maganda rin yung ipinakita actually nila Jevi, nila
Parang isa na yung main
as
five
well.
eh, no?
Oo.
Final meal, a magic moment. We are entering the fourth and final quarter. John Ocampo with Daphne Cristobal here in Montano Hall. Itong dalawang kumpanan as we take a look at our pound for pound fitness. Foul counted play.
But San Pedro off with a 3 consecutive wins here in the league.
Look at that. Ubus nga ang oras dito sa ball game na ito. Although we still have plenty of time. 7 minutes pa. Ooh. Getting that finish and the bonus. As we see this round for round. Kahabol naman ng 12. Steps back, pull up. It's good. Mano, as we can see on this replay.
This is a 14-2 run, Curtis.
Risky shot then, therefore, nagmintes. But right now,
there underneath, but good thing Flores was there for the second opportunity, but this time magpantay.
count for Pound Fitness foul, counted play. Para nga dito kay Flores. We have 3 minutes, 6 seconds remaining.
Obviously, the momentum.
Or misses, but huge deflection rather. Bayani. Atake naman ang defender. Back-to-back scores. Final 2 minutes of this basketball game. Or balik sa 11 ng Kalamangan. James Eason challenging Dimano. Bayani spins, Bayani finishes. Jevin Noggin under 1 minute remaining, 50 to be exact. At yun na nga, Arle Podador.
Final quarter. You know, the 25-point lead which was established during the third quarter was just too difficult. At imagine, bigla na nakapag-pull away itong side ng Pasig. Dahil nga kanina sabi natin, no, just less than 10 points yung naging creation nila dito sa fourth quarter. But then,